If you're planning to protect your retirement with a gold IRA, watch out for these three costly mistakes. These are traps that could quietly drain your savings if you are not careful. Number 1. Falling for free silver promotions that end up costing you more in hidden fees. Number 2. Ignoring the company's buyback policy. Some make it hard to get your money out when you need it most. And lastly, not checking real customer complaints, especially when things go wrong. If you want help avoiding these traps, download the free company comparison checklist I've linked in the description. It gives you 5 essential questions to ask any provider and shows you what to look out for. It helps you spot hidden fees, shady buyback terms, and sales tactics designed to pressure you. Download the checklist below. It's free and it could save you from making a very expensive mistake.